Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Mamasagat channel of Faith Healer o Zuma Tiger. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of February 17 hanggang February 23 for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanya kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updating ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uubapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating maagilap? So guys, eto na itong kaya at bubulabugin natin angel spirit. Please give me information po. Okay, there's an emperor. Not being mature enough and being grounded. Sa kailangan maging mature ka sa mga desisyon or gagawin mo action. And there's a days of sorry, the breakthrough. Na naliwanagan ka na, natauhan ka na, may mga bagay na unti-unting nagbubukas sa iyong isipan, bagong opportunities, and this is the 8 of Wands for a fast communication and fast movement. There's a something travel, and of course, there's a something, a good news, an email, a messages. And there's something, the Ace of Cups. Now, there's something, a love offer. May bagong pag-ibig na papasok sa dito, no? May bagong pag-ibig na maaring manumbalik, na maaring kiligin ka na this time. And there's something that 9 of Wands, no? There's something near to success, no? Napakalapit mo na para magtagumpay. So, keep going. What is additional messages? And because there's something that 10 of Cups with happiness. Si magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ka na raw. Ay, talaga ba? What is the Emperor? Represent what? The Emperor represent with a 9 of Cups with an offer. No, maging mature ka na raw sa lahat ng mga offer na darating. No? What is the Ace of Swords? Represent what? There's the 9 of Cups. There's something an offer. No? May offer dito na magiging mabilis daw ang eksena, no? Na magbibigay sa'yo ng kaliwanagan. What is the 8 of Wands? The 8 of Wands will represent with the 4 of Swords. So this is something rest. So kailangan mo ng maraming pahinga, no? Kumbaga marami tumatakbo sa utak mong mga ideas, no? And opportunities. So kailangan ipahinga mo muna yung utak mo for a meantime. What is an Ace of Cups? Represent with a Sun card. There's something of your positive outcome. So, magiging maganda ng kalalabas sa pagdating sa love life. Na parang ibinabalik or nanunumbalik na maaaring kikiligin ka na ulit this time. Na talagang ibabalik yung pagmamahal, ibabalik yung pag-aaruga, pag-aalaga, gano'n. Na parang kumbaga magiging maligay at magiging masaya ka na ulit. What is the 9 of Wands? Represent with the 6 of Swords. No? There's something transition. Or there's something getting away from the situation. No? Napakalapit mo na para matupad yung mga bagay o kagustuhan mo. Kailangan mo lang makaalis dyan sa sitwasyon na ginagalawan mo. What is the 10 of Cups? Represent. There's a high five for a lesson learned. No? Matuto ka na. No? Maraming mga taong kumbaga hadlang sa iyong kaligayahan. There's a 10 of Cups represent a happiness, and there's a higher fight represent a separation, or something a religious factor, na meron ditong kinalaman about sa spiritual path. No? Kumbaga, maaring nakaranas ka ng mga kalugmukan, kahirapan, there's something na magiging masaya ka na raw. What is the Emperor? Because the 9 of Cups represent with a wheel of fortune. Oh, turning back to your favor. No, maaaring iikot na yung kapalaran na to, maaaring pumubor na sa'yo. No, there's something, a blessing coming in for you. And there's a destiny to happen. What is the Ace of Swords? Because the 9 of Swords. Represent what? Represent with the 7 of Swords. Oh my God. There's a sneakiness looking, watching at you. Na may taong sumusubaybay behind your back. So, kailangan maging mahinahon ka. No, huwag ka masyado padalos-dalos sa mga action mo. Kasi itong tao na to, kumari kumukuha ng information sa'yo. No? Unti-unti mo na maliliwanagan kung ano yung hidden agenda sa'yo with the Seven of Swords. Kumbaga malalaman mo na itong tao na to kaya nagsinungaling sa'yo, itong tao na to kaya niloko ka, kumbaga unti-unti na nagsisingin sa utak mo. What is the Eight of Wands? Because the Four of Swords. Represent with the Page of Cups by your intuition. See? Kumbaga kailangan mong ipahingi yung utak mo, maraming tumatakbo sa utak mo ngayon. No? Masyadong maraming iniisip. And there's an Ace of Cups because the Sun card. Reference with the Queen of Pentacles, just being practicality na pagdating sa finances. Now, there's a lot of offer coming in for you, kaya kailangan maging mahinahon ka at marunong ka dapat kumbaga panghawakan yung pinaghirapan mo. Meron dito, some of you guys, no? Meron ditong tao na maaring new love mo, na maaring babalik at itong bagong taon na to, na maaring bumalik yung pagmamahal mo o para ibabalik yung sigla ng puso mo, ganon. At itong tao na to ay marunong humawak ng pera. Oh, let's see what is the Knight of the Six of Swords. Reference with the Knight of Swords. See? Nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleepless nights. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mo na makaalis dyan sa lugar nyo. No? Kasi, gumaga nandyan talaga ang negatibo. Maaring nagbibigay pabigat sa isip at utak mo. Okay, what is the Ten of Cups? Because the Hierophant. Reference with the Page of Swords. There's a spy looking, watching at you talaga. No, ibig sabihin dito maraming sumusubaybay sa'yo, maraming taong naiinggit sa'yo. No, there's an evil eye ako na sense dito. May inggitera daw. What is the angel spirit with the outcome? For the outcome, guys, so represent with the word card. There's something trouble, success, victory coming in for you. And this is something the Three of Cups, a celebration and the happiness. And there's something star card for healing. Talaga may healing, guys, no? There's an healing and miracles. Talaga may pag-asa at meron talagang kagalingan na pinapakita at binabahagi sa'yo. What is additional messages for finances and career? There's a Five of Swords. No, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage. No, that because of your action pagdating sa finances. Masyado ka kasi nagtitiwala sa mga tao na sa paligid mo with the Six of Cups, no? There's something mutual friends, family related, na maaring kumaga nagtitiwala ka. And there's a Six of Wands where a victory is yours. Maaring maging matagumpay ka. No, there's an Ace of Pentacles. So, see? There's a big shot and big money coming in for you. Malalaking perang papasok dito. Maaring niloko ka pa sa pera. No? What is additional messages? No? With Angel Spirit for love life. There's a Page of Pentacles. See, investment, no? Invest wisely. Itong tao na to, kumbaga, makakasama mo ba to for long term, no? Kumbaga, hindi ba siya panandalian? There's a chart with an action and movement. Two joining forces, kailangan, bago mo i-pursue yung tao na to, itong tao na to may plano ba sa buhay? Talagang, kumbaga, ang pangarap niya ba sa inyong dalawa? Diba ganon? What is additional messages pagdating sa health? Sa health mo, guys, there's a Two of Swords, there's a decision that you need to make. Kailangan mag-desisyon. And there's a Tower moment for a major changes. Malaking pagbabago daw sa pagdating sa health issues mo. Kailangan mo lang mag-desisyon. And there's a Five of Cups, disappointment and regret, no? Maaring, kumbaga, nangihinayang ka at parang nangihinayang ka dito na or may mga bagay na pinagsisisihan mo, no? About dito sa Tower moment, about dito sa bahay, no? Na parang ang laki ng negatibong dala nito sa iyo. There's something decision that you need to make. Kailangan mo mag-decision dito. Kailangan mong umalis dyan sa bahay or sa lugar nyo. Oh my God, there's something that's our moment talaga na malaking pagbabago na magaganap dito. No? Pagdating sa health mo. Ibig sabihin dyan, guys, there's a fear of negative elements. Kaya siguro nagkakasakit ka rin. Additional messages with an angel spirit for the outcome, for additional outcome. And there's something that you want. There's a waiting for a ship. Na may mga bagay na hinihintay ka, document, papers. And there's something trouble talaga international. And there's a magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na raw matatamo. At unti-unti mo na raw makukuha. So let's see what is the magical fairy messages. Represent one. What the magical fairy messages represent? Patient please. So kailangan mo habaan ng pasensya mo dito. Marunong kang kumalma. Huwag padalos-dalos, huwag mong madaliin ang eksena. And there's something you got the power, no? Kaya mo No, kaya mo nga i-manifest yung mga bagay-bagay, ano pa kaya to? Use your ability to resolve this situation and you can do it. No, kaya mo mabago ang situation mo. So let's see what is the synchronicities represent what? Represent with a bloom, spring, no? Maaring lumago, lumakas ang yung finances, and there's a leadership. No, take charge of your situation, and this is a storyteller. Mag-ingat ka, meron dito gumagawa ng kwento, magaling talaga siyang magpaikot ng tao. And there's a reflections, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo magre-reflect lang sa'yo, so just be aware. Excuse me, guys. And there's a faith. No, see, dito manggagaling yung paniniwala at pananampalataya mo, susubukin ka talaga. Diba? One more card, please. Okay. And there's something summer. Ngayon, summer season, maaaring masagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. What is the yin and yang oracle card? Represent what? For yin and yang oracle card, represent yin and yang oracle card represent the harvest moment. Wow, this is something harvest time. And there's a changes cycle, no? Mababago na rin yung ikot ng kapalaran for you. And there's something, an apology. May hingi talaga ng tawad. Oh my God, just be aware, ha? There's a memory. See, may mga nangyari sa nakaraan na maaaring maulit-ulit talaga. No, there's a memories. Kaya kailangan pakakatandaan mo. Let's see what is the chakra messages. For the chakra, oh my God, there is a gossip. Chismosa marites. Nag-uusapan ka. Oh my God. Marites, ha? There is an instinct. No? There is something in intuitions. Maraming pumapasok sa isip mo. No? May hinala ka talaga. No? Itong tao na to may lihim na inggit sa'yo. What is Archangel Michael messages? And of course, this is something innocence. Talaga inosente ka, wala kang kamalay-malay, ginangster ka. And there's something, your children are watched over by angels, no? Yung mga anak mo naman daw ginagabay ng ating angel spirit. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a water emotions, na magiging emotional ka this time, or maaaring kumalma ng iyong emosyon. And there's a spirituality, see? Spirituality. Unti-unti magliliwanag sa'yo about sa spiritual. Ibig sabihin, nagbubukas ang pinto about sa spirits. Para magdasal, mag-devotions, humingi ng gabay. And there's a self-inventory. So, mag-invest ka rin sa sarili mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a loneliness. Hindi ka rin nag-iisa. Diba? May gumagabay na sa'yo. There's something courage. Na ini-encourage you dito na magpatuloy ka. Kailangan mo labanan ng takot at pangamba mo. And there's something freedom. Makakalaya ka na. No? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka na ng kaligayahan dito na nag-uumapaw. So let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Hydration. See? Kailangan na hydrated ka. More water. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. With an angel spirit, please give information po. Force, don't follow. So this is something a leader you wish you had, no? Kailangan na, kumbaga stay on your ground. Hindi ka dapat bumabasa sa mga sasabihin ng iba. And there's just something, the courageous pioneer. Let yourself be seen. Hayaan mo yung sarili mo ang makatuklas. Hayaan mo ang sarili mo makakita. So let's see what is the Monsology. Represent what? Monsology represent adjustment are required. So kailangan mo mag-adjust talaga. Malaking adjustment talaga ang gagawin mo. And this is happening, prosperity lies ahead. See, talagang kasaganahan talaga ay nandito talaga, nakalatag talaga para sa'yo. Nakalatag talaga siya. So kailangan mo lang mag-adjust. And there's something leadership. Ibig sabihin dito, kayang-kaya mo no? Take charge of your situation. Kayang-kaya mong baguhin ang sitwasyon mo. And there's a speaker, I told you, there's something, orasyon, na mayroon talaga nag-ritual for you. Kaya just be aware guys ha. Meron talaga naiinggit sa'yo. What is the energy represent what? Communications, no? Community. There's something community. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka sa pakikipag-communicate sa mga tao sa paligid mo. And there's something angel of strength. So kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matibay. Lakasan ng loob, lakasan ng pakiramdam. And there's an adjusted possibilities. Maraming pinto ang magsasara, maraming pinto ang magbubukas para sa'yo. A new opportunities. What is the angel's answer? Represent what? Be assertive. Talaga sinasabi na be a leader, stand your ground, stand of your beliefs. Talagang kumaga sinasabi dito, kaya dapat marunong ka manindigan. Marunong ka dapat kumaga maging leader or kaya mo dapat magdesisyon sa sarili mo. And there's a wait, no? Marunong ka dapat maghintay din. Just wait. So let's see. Ibig sabihin nagiging ka dito, nagiging padalos-dalos ka, gusto mo agad-agad, ganun-ganyan. Kailangan mo marunong kang kumalma. Kalma. What is the romance angels represent what? New love coming in for you if you are being single. May bagong pag-ibig daw na papasok sa'yo. And there's something finances and career. Na malaking factor ang finances and career pag involved sa love life. Ibig sabihin, kumbaga yung partner mo o yung nakikilala mong jowa, ibig sabihin magaling sa business. Ganon. For Jesus' loving quote said, with God, all things are possible. Na pagdating sa ating Panginoon, walang imposible daw. Diba? Ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos, kung itong mga bagay na ito makakabuti sa iyo, ilaban mo. No? Magdasal, magpursige. What is the angel's number? Represent what? Represent with a 0606 with a commitment. Loyalty and responsibility, truth, love and light and spiritual, realm, growth solutions. Apply honesty and light daily is a fast track to creating peaceful and meaningful life. It's how you find solution and comfort. Release worries by speaking your truth and experiencing emotion regularly. Open up for the best is yet to come. Talagang mangyayari talaga to, no? Kailangan mo maging kalmado, no? Sa pakikipag-usap, pakikipag-transactions, no? Dahil, kumbaga, wala namang nagtatagumpay sa mga taong aggressive, sa mga taong nagmamadali, sa mga taong kumbaga inuunang galit, diba? Kaya kailangan marunong kang kumalma. Kalma. What is the messages of life? Represent a gift of life. Ito na yung regalo ng ating Panginoon sa buhay mo. No, each day, life offer me abundant proof that the universe love me every day. God sends angelic to help me today. I will receive an angelic message. It may come from someone with whom may speak or word from words that I read. I will listen closely as this message is divine gift meant to help me, free me, may make my way in love and maintain my spiritual strength. Talagang kumaga yung buhay na binigay sa iyo ay regalo ng ating Panginoon may kapal para tuklasin, maunawaan lahat ng mga bagay na nilalaman, no? Kumaga marami ka munang kailangan pagdaanan bago mo makita at maramdaman at maranasan ng totoong tagumpay. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of February 17 hanggang February 23 for the sign of. For the sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos. Update ko sa maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, away pagpalain kayo. Nang Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapang libiyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye! And babush!